Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in to the primary Steam account on the PC you plan to authorize. Enable Steam Guard now because Steam requires two-factor verification to share access securely. Once signed in, open Settings, navigate to Family, and make sure you have the other account credentials handy. This step prevents delays. You'll need to authorize the other account from this machine. Make sure the PC is trusted and online because Steam checks ownership and device authorization in real time. Now, once done with the primary account, go to Settings Family and enable Family Library sharing for that machine. Select the account you want to share with. Log out, then sign in with the secondary account on that same PC to complete the link. You'll either receive a prompt to request access or the sharing will already be authorized. Follow the on-screen prompts and accept. This verifies the relationship between accounts and ensures the shared library appears under the secondary accounts library list. To finish, sign back into the secondary account and confirm shared titles appear under library. They'll be labeled as shared. If a game won't run, remember only one user can play the same shared title at once. Make sure the primary account isn't actively playing. If authorization fails, re-enable Steam Guard, remove and reauthorize the PC under Family Settings, and restart Steam. If problems persist, collect error messages and contact Steam support with account details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.